The judge overseeing the Charlie Kirk murder case told the prosecution and defense that the rights of the man accused will be honored without compromise. This was during a waiver hearing yesterday.
I will not put my finger on the scale of justice. These proceedings will be open to the public, conducted in accordance with the law, and handled with diligence and competence to ensure that justice is never compromised.
CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman joins us here with more on this. Good morning, Katrina. Welcome. So what else happened during this waiver hearing that jumped out at you?
Good morning, Errol. Well, for one, we met Tyler Robinson's legal team. It took them a little while to find people to represent him, but he now has a Utah attorney and then two California attorneys, one who actually represented Lyle Menendez in his first trial back in the 90s, which ended in a mistrial. But what we really learned is about the amount of discovery in this case. Both sides called it voluminous. They're expecting all of this digital discovery. They said they're working together, the prosecution and the defense. The first batch will be turned over in 5 days. But Robinson's defense attorney said they just need more time to figure out what they are dealing with here, to wrap their minds around all of this potential evidence for the case. So they asked the judge to set another hearing before what's called a preliminary hearing. In Utah, they do things a little bit differently, Errol. So the preliminary hearing is when the prosecution presents evidence and the judge can decide if they think they have enough to go forward with a trial. So essentially, the defense wants more time here before they move to that step.
Now, there's a burning spotlight on this trial because of Charlie Kirk being killed, a close friend of the president. Why was it noteworthy that the judge said Robinson's rights will be protected throughout the proceedings? Why bother even saying that?
Yeah, I mean, it felt significant for that very reason, Errol. There is so much strong rhetoric around this case, tensions, high emotions. This is a new judge, too. He just took the bench, he said 56 days ago, as of yesterday. And he said to the court that he's going to uphold his oath to the Constitution and to protect Robinson's constitutional rights. He reminded everyone in that room that Robinson is presumed innocent until all of the elements of these charges are proven against him beyond a reasonable doubt. And he also said that people in his courtroom will be treated with dignity and respect because they're human beings. So I think he really felt a need to remind everyone, despite all of this potential evidence we've seen in the public eye already, Robinson is still presumed innocent here.
This was just a waiver hearing, so what is the next step?
So the next step will be, they set another waiver hearing, essentially, for October 30th. Robinson is supposed to appear in person at that one. Yesterday, he was just there via audio. We didn't see him. We didn't hear him. But essentially, this will be when the defense will tell the judge how much time they think they need to prepare for that preliminary hearing.
Watch this very closely. Katrina, thank you very much.
Thank you.